Hello coders, I hope you are coding well. In the previous video, we created a new Spring Boot application, and in today's video, we will create a new React application. So let's get started. Before creating the new React application, if you don't have the Node.js, you need to install the Node.js, and for that you can visit nodejs.org and you can download your installer for your operating system. And after downloading and installing the Node.js, you can open one folder to create the React project, and I will use the same folder in which we have our Spring Boot application. So we will right click here and we will open our CMD, and here we will give the command to create the new React app, which is npx create react app. And after this we need to give the name, which is employee web in our case. Now let's hit enter, and as you can see it started creating the React app, and now it is installing the packages, which can take some time. And as you can see, our React project got created successfully. Now let's close this terminal and you should see a new folder with the name of your project. Now let's right click on this folder and let's open it in VS Code, and you can see our basic React folder structure, which contains the source folder, which is the main folder we will use throughout this series. And now we need to run this application, so let's click on this terminal and create new terminal. And to run this application we need to give a command, which is npm start. And as you can see, our application is up. Now let's go to the browser and you can see the starting page of our React application. And that's it for this video. In the next video we will connect the MySQL DB with our Spring Boot application.